Hey, this is day 3 of my fitness journey. I'll be sharing about basic warm up routine that every gym person must know and he must follow before workout. Then, yes, it is none other than essential part of working out, even more important than lifting up heavy weights. A quick recap. In day 2 of my daily grind fitness, I had explained a basic things that a gym guy must know on his first day of his gym and before lifting heavy weights. And today it is one of the major part that I'm going to explain to you, and it is warm up. Today I'll be explaining about warm up in a deeply routine manner. Next, going forward to the point, is warm up really important? This is the question asked by many of my colleagues or friends who are not going to the gym. Then yes, it is unaware of before lifting heavy weights. So it prevents blood flow, it increases your flexibility, and it increases the performance between the steps. So work out healthily. Next, here are a few exercises I'm going to tell you on your warm up. First, starting off with the neck, right to left, then 15-second left to right. Here is a video. It prevents your neck muscle blood flow, so there is no any danger while you work out. Next, moving on to the shoulder, you have and 15-second to the backwards, total 30 seconds. Here is the video. It helps you in relieving the shoulder muscle while working out. Next, arm rotation. Rotate your arm backward. It applies both to the right and left hand. You can do it individually or else together. Next, moving on to wrist rotation. Keep your hand straight, then rotate your wrist 15 times to the inner side, 15 times to the outer side. So totally 30 seconds. Here your arm is completely done. Next, moving on to your hip. Start with hip rotation. 15 seconds to next. So the 30 minutes, and this is the video. Next, moving up with the legs. Do body weighted seat for 30 seconds. As many times as possible. 10 times, then 10 times, 15, then 15. But do it in controlled motion. It activates your leg muscles, especially your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and then your calves. Then next, end it with high knee raises. 15 seconds. Here you can do it for 30 seconds as many times as possible, but 30 seconds. It releases your uh, stress from the quads, glutes, and the overall leg, and it activates your core. Then next, end it up with jumping jacks. 30 seconds. Here, this is the video, and here your warm up routine ends. Does skipping warm up causes injury? Then yes, severe injury that we cannot even imagine. See, if you don't perform warm up and go to exercise, it can lead you to a situation where you cannot work out for the rest of your life. So warm up is important. Next, what are the common mistakes that beginners make? Warm up routines, not warming up your entire body, then doing warm up fast. These are the main mistakes that a beginner does in the beginning of thinking that It is absolute foolishness to skip your warm up. Activity like games, like football, basketball, cricket, or anything. And even before athletics, warm up is very required for your body, or else it can cause you severe injury. For 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that or less than that. Whatever exercise I have told you, follow this. This is from it. It's very it varies from 8 minutes to 10 minutes. You can finish it off. How busy warm up can destroy your muscles, can destroy your joints, can cause you severe injury, leading you to many problems in the future. Last but not the least, if you had liked the video, then and if you have learned something from this, and if you have find it useful, please do like, share, and subscribe this channel. And grow together. Next video, I'll be posting it on Monday. Until then, see you. Bye. Let's meet in the next video.